Okay, so one thing that I love to do when I cook, I told you that I really enjoy cooking.
Yeah.
It's always like to start with a glass of wine.
Let me marry this wine with this chicken. Cheers. Very simple recipe. Chicken breasts. Let's butterfly the chicken.
Yes.
So when you open it up like this, it's butterflied, okay? Your knife, just salt and pepper. This recipe is super easy. A non-cook can also cook at home. A very positive thing about this recipe and this wine is it's easy on the palate. It'll go with any kind of food. Can't do a French dish without loads of butter. And we are done.
Really good. Chicken with like a Chardonnay for me is always.
I enjoyed the wine more.
Cheers.
Cheers to that.